Welcome friends, my name is Mr. Chaudhary MM. In this video, I will show you how to calculate a transportation problem in a operation research techniques. So it is a concern with finding the minimum cost of transporting single commodity from a given number of factories to a given number of warehouses. Means factories means it is a sources and warehouses means is a destination. Okay, so there is a one problem statement. So start. 5 warehouses are supplied by 4 factories. The supply available from each factory, the demand at each warehouse, and the cost per unit of the transporting goods from the factories to the warehouses are summarized in the following table. So there is some transporting cost is available from factory 1 to 4 and warehouse to 1 to 5. Okay, similarly there is a availability and requirement is also given. So availability means supply and requirement means demand. Okay, so how to solve it? So first go to total column and total it means sum of all value of a cost is a given. Okay, similarly drag it. Okay, next sum of all cost for demand. Okay, and autofill here. Okay, so table is a fulfill now. Then go to this value and copy it, go to here and paste it. Okay, now next, this given value of a transporting cost I will delete it here. Why? Because I will calculate a minimum optimum transporting problem. We have to solve it. Okay, so go to total transportation cost, so is equal to, and use a formula, some product formula. Then from here some product to given value here. Okay, close it, and that's it. So value is 0 means there is no value. Okay, so we will find out the optimal value. Now next, click here, go to data and go to solver. Okay, so there is a value, so reset all initially. Now our motto is we calculate a minimum transportation cost. So click on minimum, set objective. So objective cell is here. Okay, by changing variable cell, which cell? This one, empty cell. Okay, then apply constraint. So go to add. So first constraint is a supply. So supply, click on this, and total number of supply means available cost less than, go to actual demand or actual supply, then add it. Go to next, cell reference, total demand cost, and is a cost is a greater than suppose, and constraint is a actual demand value. Then okay. Okay, finish it. Now select solving method is a non-linear method and click on a solve tab. Okay, after click on a solve tab, there is a trial solution 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a calculate exact cost from sources to destination. Okay, as a depending upon the supply and as well as depending upon the demand. So wait. Okay, trial solution 18, 19, okay, so that's it. Solver result is here. Click on OK, keep solver solution. Okay, so total transportation cost is 510, and there. Thank you.